Brand new Kamama. How you say that? Kawama.
What is it again?
This is our new Iwata Kawama. Kawama.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a new video on our 2013 Battleship Gray Toyota Tacoma off-road. In the last video, we got our axle back from Hudlow Axle. We could not believe how straight that made that wheel. So everything looks good there. We got everything hooked back up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this primed and prepped for paint. We're also gonna get us a beaded seam sealer to go right through here to match the other side. So let's quit talking and let's get to work.
I do think that this thing is really coming together. It's looking really, really good. Absolutely amazing. We got that filler on there. That looks OEM. We got this thing all ready. You know, just a couple of places we had to put filler just where we welded. We done a really good job welding. Everything come together just perfect. So just a little bit of filler just to fill up some imperfections. So what we're gonna do, we got this thing all taped up as best as we could for tonight, cause in the morning, first thing, we're gonna back it out of the shop. We're gonna put it right out there in the yard. We're gonna mix up the primer. We're gonna get these spots all primered up so this thing can get ready for some paint, because we are this close to being ready for paint. We might even get this thing painted in this video. So I am really excited, super excited about it. It's been a long time coming. We've been working on this truck for a few weeks now. I think maybe like 3 weeks. So we got to keep going. It's maybe been 4 weeks. I don't know, the days run together, but this truck is phenomenal. I just drove it down the road just a minute ago. It's going great. We love this truck. So we'll catch you guys right out there with some primer in the morning. check it out. Check it out on a nice windy day. We got it all primered up. We got the plastic took off. Everything is took off. It looks absolutely amazing. We will block that thing down. We will get it painted. We got the door primered. We got the cab corner primered. You saw me primer up the grill surround and put a little etch primer on that sucker. We're gonna color match that and make it look really good. So what we're gonna do next is I got all this plastic, pretty good mess. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna head out to the dump, haul some of this stuff off, let this primer dry for a little while. And then what I gotta do is I'm gonna come back in, I'm gonna clean the back of this cab really good, this area really good later on, so that we won't have any problem with any dust blowing up out of this thing. The front door, I gotta break it down because we're gonna have to blend on that door. So we'll get that emblem off, we'll get the handle off, we'll get everything off on that front door. So let's give it a few minutes to dry and we'll be right back on it. And just like that, we got this lovely truck. It's all cleaned up. It's all washed up. It is a beautiful truck. We have spent today getting everything primered up, getting everything cleaned up. I even temporaried up my taillight so I don't get stopped by the law going up to the paint booth tomorrow, because tomorrow we're getting this truck painted. I just got through washing it all off. Before that, we broke down this driver's door. We took everything off. We took the emblem off, the handle off, the mirror off. We're gonna be blending onto that door and we want it to be perfect. And this door is the one we primered the other day. That's the door we replaced and we got the cab corner. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow in the booth. Alrighty guys, as you can see, it is the next day. It's a little bit noisy here, but we already jumped on this truck. We already got everything sanded down. JP, he come up. We're gonna get this sucker painted today. We're gonna make it look absolutely beautiful. So why don't we hop to it? Let's get some paint mixed. Let's get this sucker in the booth. Let's get some of this stuff taped up. We're gonna get it all painted. We're gonna get it done. I cannot wait to see it. Let's hop to it.
Kiwami. Kiwami.
Kiwami. Alrighty guys, man, this truck, it turned out absolutely amazing. We jumped on this truck, we did a lot of stuff. This video was jam-packed with a ton of work, but we got it looking almost where we want it. We still got a lot of things to do to it to kind of make it our own, but we are well on our way to having this truck back on the road like we wanted. We busted out that little Kiwami today. We painted that thing. It's looking really, really good. Me and JP, he pulled his muscles out. He set the bed on. We got it going exactly the way we want it. I do think that that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. If you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. And don't forget to follow us at Real Orange Wires on Instagram. We always post there before YouTube. We'll catch you next time. We're out.